So guys, this video is very simple. Today I am going to share you how to make a free traffic website. Okay, so I am using this as an example. You can do at your choice. I will give you the whole website code and I will give you how to make it very easily, the all method. So for that you need Adsterra account, and you need blogger, and you need free traffic secret site list. In this list you can use any of those free traffic, and you can use those credit to give traffic in your blog. So at first you need to go blogger.com. Okay, and after going to blogger.com you will open a new blog. It's very simple. You will open a new blog in here, and new blog. Okay, after that you open with a title. Use a title or as you wish. You can use your local all newspaper by using my code. In that code you just need to replace the image only. Very simple, you will understand how to do this. So I just making a new website for all newspaper type. Okay, as my viewer from so many country like USA, Bangladesh, India. So see, then click on theme, and after that you need to restore with a blank theme. Okay, and blank theme here, and upload this blank theme. I will share this blank theme with you. So after that you need the newspaper code. Just do as I am doing. That's it. Very simple work. And edit HTML code, and after that in the body section paste the newspaper code. This newspaper code you just need to paste. Okay, so after pasting this newspaper code, it is very simple. You can use it multiple times. Very simple, and just save it. So first I will test how actually my newspaper block look like. It's how actually working like. So for that I just I just used a simple method. All newspaper link just used here. So see, my blog is now ready. See, all newspaper is showing. You can use your local newspaper, any kind of newspaper, using this method. My code is enough. In that code you just replace the link, replace the URL. That's it. Okay, so see, now I am going to generate the ad code from Adsterra. I mean registering this website in Adsterra first. So paste the website link in here and give it social category, and pop under, very important. Pop under is much important because most of the revenue come from pop under. Got it? And then wait some time. It will approve in 1 to 3 minutes. I hope it will just approve now. Okay, and copy it. After that copy code. Okay, and you now need to go to blogger account again and edit HTML, and then in the head section paste it in here, in between head section. Okay, see, now this is okay. Now I need a native banner code. So native banner code is also first test this working or not. See, ad is showing already. So when I click on this website, ad is showing. Okay, my minimum ad setup is ready. After that I will give a native banner code in this website. In here I will give a native banner code. So click on add unit, new add unit, create plus button, and native banner, and create. Okay, so get the code from here. In 1 or 2 minutes you can get the code easily. So here is the native banner code, and copy this code. After copy this code, so you need to just copy the code and for paste it in the body section, very fast area. Okay, in here, done. So see what actually happened. My all things is ready. My ad setup is also ready. See, ad is showing and the newspaper also is showing. Very simple things. Now what actually I am going to do, I am going to use free traffic method. So for free traffic, I am showing you today a very active traffic site which you need to sign up first to get traffic in here. So let's go to the website first. The website name is very simple. So see, first website is ready, then we need to the free traffic website. So for free traffic website, in this site, AutoSark web sync dick. Okay, in this site I am going to use it. So first you need to sign up in here. Very simple sign up, and just username, give username, then email address, and everything is done. Then retype your mail address again. You can paste it in here and give it a password. Also, now clear the captcha. Very easy. Clear this captcha, and then in description. Okay, so see what actually happened. You need to verify your mail, otherwise sometimes account not open. So verify by Gmail, and after verifying you will show a confirmation or registration complete. That's it. And then log in here and see how actually it work. You just first earn credit. Very simple. Earn credit means you need to see others people website, so that's how they will see your website. That's actually very legal. I mean, it's traffic exchange, guys. It's very simple. See, I am watching others people website, that's why he will watch my website. That's it. So, and after you gathering so much credit, you can use in here. Okay, so see what actually I am doing. First I will earn some credit, otherwise I cannot send traffic. So for that I will add a click on the start viewer, then credit will automatically add on my account. See, so many credit will add in my account. If I complete these seconds, I don't need to do anything, just open this and do other things, do other stuff, no problem. So for time short purpose, see, in the remaining credit you will use your earning credit points. Like I have earned 3.20 credit, available credit. I will use 3.2 credit in here. Very simple. So I will use 3.2 credit in here. Each traffic cost 1 credit. So I'm just showing you how actually credit exchange in here and save it. So say my all credit now gone to in this website. By this you can use so many websites, so many credit manually. See, if I use 100, that will actually not work. I only have 3.20 credit, that's why it's saved by only 3.20 credit. That's it. Now earn credit section, click on start viewer, and after you viewer is start, and this is very simple. See, okay, so everything is ready now. And actually what is happened, I will now earn credit, and then I can easily get traffic. I will share this code, newspaper code with you. Very simple to use. It will help you guys to make your website. Okay, thank you guys, bye.